Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to get certified on eBay. Open your browser and search for academy.ebay.com and you may need to log into your account using your eBay credentials. So go to the menu at the top and press Browse. Here you can see available courses covering different topics, starting with listing optimizations and ending with customer service. Select the course that align with your selling goals and enroll in the course. Progress through the course materials at your own pace, and when you complete the course, you will earn digital badges that showcase your expertise. And here a little note, eBay Academy provides valuable training and recognition through badges, and that doesn't offer formal certifications. So this is just badges. And for some additional resources, you can consider courses like from third-party certification. So some third parties can offer courses related to how to sell on eBay, and those courses can provide comprehensive skills for selling on eBay. So that's how we can get certified on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.